Hey everyone, welcome back to my another MSW Logo tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to know about the procedure and sub-procedure, and also we will draw some cool design using the procedure and sub-procedure. So without wasting time, let's roll. What is a procedure? Procedure are small programs written to achieve what you want to do. A procedure is a specific series of action, which are to be executed in order to obtain the desired result. Procedure help you to save time and avoid of repetition, of typing the same command over and over again. Logo lets you use particular name, or word, to give the turtle a whole list of commands. Here, the given name, or words is called a procedure. Now let us know some of the rules that must be followed by us while naming a procedure. First rule is, procedure can consist of alphabets, numbers, and some symbol like ampersand, at the rate, and pound sign. Second rule is, a procedure should not contain any blank space in between the procedure name. For example, if you type square, space, and box, it is a wrong way of naming a title for a procedure, but if you type square box without giving space, then this will be correct. So you have to keep in mind these things while naming a procedure. Third rules is, you must not use arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication symbol in your procedure. Fourth rule is, we should not use logo primitives while naming the procedure, like forward, back, clean, clear screen, etc. For example, if you type to clean, then it will be invalid, because clean is a logo primitive used to clean a screen. Hope you understand till here. Next we will see the parts of the procedure. The procedure is divided into three parts: title, body, and end. Now we will know these three parts of the procedure, one by one with example. First let us know, what is a title? A name assigned to the group of primitives is called title. We should always choose a proper title for the procedure. The title line always has a word, to, followed by the name of the procedure. For example, when you write a procedure to draw a shape, you teach the turtle how to draw it. This is why we always start the procedure with the word to, followed by the name of the procedure. Like, to square. Next we will see the body. The body section contains the sets of instructions or primitives that you ask logo to do. For example, a procedure, to square, should contain the primitives, like repeat 40, FD 40, RT 90, etc. So this is the parts of procedure, where we type all the primitives that we want the turtle to draw for us. The last part we will see is end. End procedure close the procedure after finishing the job. So whenever you press enter after writing the end command, one message will appear on the screen. It will let you know your procedure has been defined, means now you can just type the procedure in the input box to perform your task. I hope you all understand what is procedure, the rules to write a procedure, and its parts. So now let me show you practically the ways to write the procedure. So in MSW Logo there are two ways to write a procedure. The first way is using input box. As we have learned to draw a square shape, using the basic and repeat commands. Now let me create a procedure using the input box, to draw a square shape. First click in the input box, and type the title for your procedure. For example, I will type, TO2, SQUARE square, you can type any name. And press enter, you will see, to mode input box appears. Here in input box, we have to type the primitives that we want the logo turtle to perform, so this will be the body of the procedure. I will type here, REPEAT repeat, space, 40, space, open square bracket, space, FD100, space, RT, space, 90, then close square bracket, and press enter. You will see, the input box is still there on the screen, because our last task is to end the procedure, as we have finished typing all the primitives. Now to end the procedure, in this input box, I will just type end and press enter. You will notice, automatically the input box has disappear, form the screen, and also you will see, in Commander window, a message saying, square defined, means this word, square is now a procedure name. Now we can use this words as a command, to draw a square. So in input box, if I will type, square square, and press enter, you will see, a turtle had drawn a square shape, on this command that we have created. So this was using input box, and to mode input box. Let me clean the Commander window. Now let me show you using the second way, that is the editor window. To launch the editor window, there are two methods. First one is, if you click in input box, and type, edit, space, double quote, space, and type the title, for example, square square and press enter, you will see an editor window on the screen. Suppose, if you don't want to type edit, followed by the name of the procedure, then you can directly click on this edall button, it will bring the same editor window. Now we can create our procedure here, but you can see, in this editor window, to square procedure name is already here. Why? Because we have created this procedure using the input box. Here if you want you can create a new procedure, by changing its title, or the body section primitives. To show you, I will just add a pen size, pen color and, change FD100 to 150. To do so, I will click at the last letter of a square title, and press enter, the cursor appears to the next line. Now here I will type, setpc for pen color, space, open bracket, space, I will add blue color, so I will type, 0, 0, 255, close bracket, and press enter. Here in the next line, I will type, setpensize set pen size, space, bracket, space, and type, 5 for width and 10, for height, close bracket. And now to replace FD100, with 150, I will select this, 2 zeros and just type 50. Once I finished creating my procedure, next step is to save the procedure. To save, I will click on the File menu, and from here I click on this, Save and Exit option, automatically our procedure will be saved, with the new one, so to make a square using new command. In input box I will type, square square, and press enter, you will see the turtle had drawn a blue color square, with the width of 5, and height of 10, for us with the new command. So this way you can create your own procedure, and use this particular procedure name, or word to give the turtle, a whole list of commands, whenever you want, just by typing the name. Hope this was very easy. So now first, let me clean the screen and Commander window and create a cool design, using the procedure and sub-procedure. First I will click on the edall button, it will open the editor window, with the previously typed procedure. Here I will change the square title to, flower flower. From here I want to change the pen color to red, so from here, I will replace this 0 with 255, and this, 255, with 0. Pen size I will keep as it is. So next I will repeat 4, with 12. And in place of FD150, I will type, square square, and then, I will replace this 90, with 30. Till here I want to end my first procedure. Now I will create a sub-procedure, below this end command, so I will click on end command, and press enter, as the cursor appears, in the next line. Now I will type, to2, square square, this is the title for the sub-procedure, and press enter. Now in the next line I want to add some primitive, so I will select this body section primitives from here, and press Ctrl+C to copy, and taking back my cursor to the sub-procedure body section, I will click here, and press Ctrl+V to paste. From this primitives, I will replace this repeat 12 with 4 and this square with FD, space, 80, and also I will replace this RT30 with 90, and press enter. Now in the next line, I will type end to end the sub-procedure. As I finished my job, now to save I will click on File menu, and from here, I will click on Save and Exit option to automatically save the procedure, once it's saved. Now to view my design. In input box, I will type FLOWER flower, and press enter. You will see, a turtle had drawn a design for us, which look like a flower. So in this way you can use procedure within procedure, that is sub-procedure, to create your own commands. Hope everything is clear in today's tutorial, so I thank you all for attentively watching this video. I will see you in my next one, with a new program, so till then, stay safe, God bless you all, peace.